There is a spirit that compels us all to move forward, to push beyond what is possible, and create a more amazing tomorrow. It is the force behind every human achievement, every advancement, every revolution. Be it art, industry, science, or technology. It fuels us, inspires us. We're on the cusp of a digital revolution, a new era that places you at the center of your digital world, where who you are and what you do matters most. We believe technology should adapt to you and what you do naturally. Ask a question with your voice, draw with the flick of a pen, and secure your most important things with a smile. We believe technology should be so simple, so natural, that it becomes invisible, leaving nothing between you and what you want to do. And we believe that there are no limits to what you can achieve when your ideas come alive, where the world becomes your screen, and almost anything is possible. This is the digital revolution. More personal, more intuitive, more human. Just imagine what you'll do